Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು current electricity chapter ಇನ Millman's theorem topic ಮೇಲೆ problems ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. This is part 3. Let us do this first problem. Okay, in the circuit. As soon as you see the word in the circuit, you should start repeating the circuit. Okay, don't waste your time reading all these things and all. Just see here what is he is asking. The potential difference between D and ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು. I will call this as what B. Okay, and this as between B and D what is connected? A resistor is connected like this. Okay pa. Okay, B and D. What is this? 2 ohm. Okay, 2 ohm. Between B and D, okay, all these three branches are in parallel. Okay, I can connect directly like this. 2 plus 1 is just apa, they are in series. 2 plus 1 is 3 ohm. Alright, 2 plus 1 is 3 ohm. Right, okay, and then see here what is connected to B. Negative terminal of the battery is connected, and then positive terminal here. Again, if I move further, this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Either either it minus, this is plus, right? 2 volts, and this is plus and this is minus 1 volt, which is dominating. This is dominating, therefore it will be like this. Minus irutte matte illi plus irutte. Minus plus. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1 volt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ, right? Okay, now here this will be minus and this is plus. Minus plus, how many volts? 1 volt. Okay, now this is 2 ohm, there is no battery here. And now here the last, okay, the last one is, this is over now. Okay, this we have finished, right? This is we have finished. Now 1 plus 3 is how many ohm? 4 ohm. Okay, this is also over. Now 1 plus 3 is 4 ohm. Now here what is connected to B? Positive terminal is connected to B plus minus 1 volt. And now here to D what is connected? Again positive terminal is connected, okay, to B. 1 plus 1. Okay, and here minus. Okay, and then positive. Okay, plus, how many volts? 3 volts. Which is dominating? This is dominating, therefore it will be like this only. Minus illutte, plus illutte, minus plus 3. 3 minus plus. Okay, 3 volts. 3 minus 1 andre 2 volt. 2 volt battery ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 volt battery like this. Minus and this is plus, right? 2 volts. Okay, now you can apply what? You can apply Millman's theorem for this one. Let us assume the direction of current like this. Okay, ಇದು I1 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇದು I2. Okay, and this is I3 like this. Okay, I3. What is R1? This is R1. This is E1, and here E2 is 0. Okay, and this is R2, right? And this is R3, and this is E3, right? Okay, we have the formula. What the formula I have given? Common potential difference is given by what? E1 by R1. E1 by R1 andre 1 by 3 napa. Okay, 1 by 3 plus 0 by 2 plus 2 by 4 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ LCM? ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM is 12 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಲ್ವನಪ್ಪ. LCM bit 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 plus 0 plus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 LCM. Okay, 4 times plus 6 plus 3 times. This gets cancelled. V is equal to how much we are getting? 10 by 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 by 13 volts is the right answer. Okay, where is 10 by 13? 10 by 13 is. Hope you understood. Okay, next. Here the polarities are favoring, therefore both will be plus only, and here E2 0, therefore like this, right? And denominator always positive. Okay, now next. This understood now which formula we have used. V is equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 plus E3 by R3 divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That already we have seen in the previous videos. Now in okay, what in this problem what it is asking? yes, switch S is closed. Okay, S close out and there. Okay, close. This is based on what? Junction law pa. Okay, now ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. This is based on junction law. Okay, let me call this as R1 appa. This is R1, R2, R3 ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ V1 ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, V1, V2, V3. Okay, ಇದು junction. Okay, I will call junction as what? I will call junction as VC. Okay, VC ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, I1 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. I will call this as what? I2. I will call this as what? I3. Okay, now what is VC? VC is equal to, okay, V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 divided by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, how to calculate I1? I1 is equal to, ನೋಡಿ, always current flows from higher potential to lower potential, higher potential to lower potential. V1 minus VC by R1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? V2, this is higher potential because the current is flowing from VD to VC. V2 minus VC by R2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I3 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? V3 minus VC by R3 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. In the same way here, call this as VC. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, here it is shorted. Okay, it is shorted. Now I will call this as V1. ಇದು V1. Okay, this is R1 to ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is R1, right? V2 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? V2 is 0 here. Okay, it is grounded. Okay, now this is R2. Okay, this is V3. ಇದು R3. R3, right? This is R3. Now use the formula. Okay, VC is equal to V1 by R1 ಅಂದರೆ 20 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, plus V2 is 0 by 2 plus 5 by 4, right, divided by 1 by R1 ಅಂದರೆ 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ LCM? Okay, VC is equal to LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 0 plus 5 ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 4 ತಗೊಂಡ 2 times ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 plus 2 times plus 1. Okay, 4 gets cancelled. 45 by 5. 9 5 sir 45. 9 volts ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. Okay, what he is asking? He is asking current pass through point A ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? he is asking about I2. Okay, ಇದು ನಾವು I1 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, this is I1, this is I2. Okay, because same in the same way I written. This is I2 and this is I3. Okay, he is asking I2. Okay, current passing through point A. I2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? I2 is equal to V2 minus VC by R3. Okay, V2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಪ್ಪ? 0 ಇದೆ, minus VC ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 9 divided by R3 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2. I2 is equal to minus 9 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ minus 4.5 amperes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now the current is flowing actually from, okay, junction to the, okay, VC in the V2 flow ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Current is actually flowing like this. Therefore, we are getting negative. No problem. 4.5. What is the magnitude of the current? Is 4.5 amperes is the right answer. Okay, hope you understood. Next problem. In the next problem, what he is asking, okay, these are the problems which are based on nodal method. Okay, these are the problems which are based in the circuit adjoining figure in the current through 12 ohm. Okay, this is nodal method. Okay, nodal method problems. Andre ಏನು? What does it mean? ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, for example, if you have ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. Okay, let us say this is plus, this is minus, is ಅಂತ ಇದು. I will call this as node. Node ಅಂದರೆ 0 volts. If I move from here, okay, if I move from, let us say, if I am moving from like this, okay, it is favoring current polarity. Same polarity ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ I have to add up 0 plus E volts is equal to E volts ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ E volts ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. E volts, I just write. Okay, E volts, right? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0. This is a reference I have taken. This is a reference. Okay, if I move, if the polarity is favoring the current, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ let us say minus, this is plus. Okay, let us say if I take this as reference 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ 0 volts. If I move like this, okay, it is opposite polarity ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now it is becoming, now current is flowing like this, it is opposite. You have to what subtract 0 minus E ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus of E volts ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Minus of E volts ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because opposite polarity. Okay, in the same way here there is a slight change in the problem. This is minus, okay, and this is plus here. Okay, this is positive polarity. Okay, this is, okay, don't get confused, this is plus and this is minus ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is minus and this is plus. Okay, plus. Okay, now I will call this as what, a reference. 0 volts ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. It is earthed, it is grounded to 0 volts. Okay, now if I move from here to here, okay, now it is opposite or it is favoring, just tell me. Okay, is it opposite or favoring? It is opposite. Okay, like this. In the same, this is like this. Okay, if I move from here to here, I have to subtract. If I move from here to here, I have to add up. Okay, 0 minus E minus E. 0 minus 5 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus of 5 volts ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, now again if I move from here to here, okay, it is what, favoring. Minus 5 plus 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 5 plus 5 is equal to ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 volts. Okay, you see it is connected, this resistor is connected between what, okay, A and C. Okay, what are their voltages? Okay, this is the point potential, correct? Potential, E potential, what is the potential here? Okay, potential point 0 volts, the potential. So therefore how much current will flowing? No current will flowing. I is equal to V by R andre. Okay, I is equal to different, okay, delta V by R we know. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು 0 ಇದೆ. Okay, 0 minus 0, okay, 0 by 12 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 amperes of current is flowing here. Okay, nodal method you have to use only when there is no resistor in series with the, okay, battery. What is the other method, other simple method? Okay, what is the other simple method of doing this sum? ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Okay, you already know. Okay, this is ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಇದು, right? Okay, this is like this. This is C. Okay, this is what, A, understood. This is minus, this is plus 5 volts ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus minus 5 volts. Okay, current. Okay, try to find out current here. How many ohms? 12 ohms. I is equal to V by R. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, this is both the voltages gets cancelled here, right? Therefore I is equal to ಮತ್ತೆ 0 by 12 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 by 12 is again 0 ampere. I am putting it. Even if I apply KVL also ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, here plus 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? By KVL I am doing here by Kirchhoff's voltage law. ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, plus 5 minus 5. Okay, let us say current I is flowing. Okay, plus, okay, plus current is flowing like this, I is flowing up. Okay, plus 12 I is equal to 0. Therefore I is equal to 0 amperes. No current is flowing, okay, in this resistor. Last, okay, find the current in the 3 resistors shown in figure. Again, what is method? By nodal method. See, observe these batteries. Is there any resistor connected in series? No. Is there any resistor? No. I will call this as what, 0 anta. This is what I will call this as what, this is grounded. Okay, 0 volts. Okay, this is grounded or earthed 0 volts. Okay, is it favoring? Yes, it is favoring. 0 plus 2 is ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 volts ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, okay, again I can add up 2 plus 2 is to 4 volts ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ it is favoring. 4 plus 2 6 volts. Same wire ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 volts. Okay, now ಇದು opposite polarity ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 6 minus 2 ಅಂದಾಗ 4 volts ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, again it is opposite. 4 minus 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 volts ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. again opposite polarity. Okay, 2 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 volt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now see the potential here. See the potentials here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 volt ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 volt ಇದೆ. Okay, then what is the current flowing here? 0 amperes of current will flow in this resistor. See the potential here, 4 volts. Okay, this is potential 0.4 volts. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 volts. What is the current flowing? 0 amperes of current will be flowing. ಎಷ್ಟು easy ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. If you know nodal method, it is very easy to solve these kind of problems. Okay, what is the current in all the in all the three resistors? Where are the three resistors? Current again here 0 volt, 0 volt, again it is 0 ampere. Okay, 0 amperes of current. No current will flow here, no current will flow here, no current will flow here. Hope you understood. Okay, I think these many problems are enough on Millman'S theorem. Hope you understood. Millman'S theorem is used for what? Multiple loop and multiple battery. Okay, by using what? Kcet's current law and Kcet's order, Kcet's current law and Kcet's voltage law. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ? Okay, and these are the nodal method problems. These two problems are nodal method problems that I have solved for you. Okay, if you like this video, kindly subscribe for my channel. Okay, share it with your friends, like it, and then ask doubts in the comment box. I wish you all the best. Thank you, one and all of you.